Range Rover has created a one-off 1993 Range Rover Classic that was redesigned to match the appearance and interior theme of the new Range Rover SV Ultra. The two vehicles will be offered together as the official Range Rover Matched Pair during Monterey Car Week. The Classic was finished in Titan silver paint and fitted with 16-inch three-spoke wheels in Satin Platinum. Inside, it features duotone Orchid white and Cinder gray Ultrafabrics, a color-matched dashboard and vents, laser-crafted seat patterns, brushed aluminum door handles, and matching speaker covers. Originally built as a U.S. market county edition, the SUV retains its 3.9-liter V8 engine and 4-speed automatic transmission. Land Rover says the engine, transmission, suspension, steering, and braking components were overhauled during a restoration and transformation program that took more than 2,000 hours.